Alright, Banks 101, we back live, YouTube. Alright, y'all, coil pack came in. We're gonna try these out. Pretty professional out the box. See, make sure we ain't want no cracks. Inspect it. Really nothing look out of order though, y'all. We look good. Okay, y'all, so coil look good. Let's check this other one out. Alright, y'all, I got another one, same way. Look pretty good. Really see no cracks or anything that's stand out. JMD speed, interchangeable. These go on a whole bunch of other different cars too, y'all. I put a little light thing of what they all go in, but pretty much a lot of everything. Okay, y'all. We're gonna get ready to go ahead and install these, but I will put some numbers here to make sure that our firing order is gonna be the same. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, always put your grease on your coil towers to help reduce whatever it is that it's supposed to work for. So, got that in there. We're gonna go up under the hood, start installing. Alright, y'all, I got us a little shot set up. I already took these screws off, so we're just gonna take this first one, remove our capacitor. We're gonna move this to the side, so it takes go over here and move this up. That to the side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure this clean a little bit. I just cleaned them the other day, so they're still okay. And these also have some bumps. Alright, y'all, so since we know that our pointer was pointed that way, just go ahead and drop it on. We can take our screws out of here. I'm gonna come back and put some NICs on these. I ain't gonna do it now. I just wanna get the video out the way so y'all know how to do it. Let's go ahead and move these screws from one to one. Last screw. Okay, y'all, we just transferred our coil packs. Just transferred the coil pack, y'all. Y'all want to see both of them? Alright, we gonna see both of them. Hold on, let me go grab some. Alright, y'all, we back. I had to go get the other one and grease it up. I'm gonna put that one on to the coil going this side, y'all. So we got that down there. I'm gonna take this here. Real good. It's raining all day. We just take that, throw that over there. We're gonna use this screw over here. Bam, we got one. And we got two. Three. I got another one for that one though. I ain't really worried about that one, y'all. Alright, y'all, we gonna pause for a minute. Alright, y'all, we gonna take our 7, 9, 32nd, and we're gonna run these down by hand because the charger and stuff, the other stuff is in the house. It don't take long though, y'all. A little bit. Run it down a little bit, y'all. That's it. coil packs. Tighten down. We'll start pulling our wires off. Make sure to go to the appropriate coil. Alright, y'all. Alright, so we'll start with our coil. We'll start with our one in the back first. Yeah, we'll start with our one in the back. So we're gonna go make sure we plug it back in. Hold on, we need to get our rubbers. Yeah, y'all, we had got our rubbers, protector to help keep the moisture and stuff out of the wire harness. Put that back on. Yeah, that was good. And plug her in. Got the other one here for this one too.